Unang-una sa lahat, sa araw na ito, sa harap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil sinagot niya ang matagal na dinadalangin ko. Na sana yung ibigay niyang makapartner ko sa habang buhay ay yung naayon sa kanyang kagustuhan.
3 years ago, I clicked confirm, thinking it was just another friend request. Without knowing, it was heaven's will, the beginning of my forever. From that very first conversation, something in my heart knew. It wasn't luck, it wasn't random, it was faith, it was grace. It was the goodness of God weaving our stories together.
Sobrang thankful ako kasi halos lahat ng mga katangian na hinanap ko sa isang babae ay siyang binigay sa akin at walang iba kundi ikaw, Rhea.
Today, before God and everyone here, I vow to continue standing by you through all the highs and lows, to love you fiercely, to laugh with you freely, and to hold you through every season of life. I promise to never take you for granted, to always cherish the love we share, and to remember every reason I fell in love with you.
Bea, wifey, nung time na nag-propose ako sa iyo, hindi man tulad ng traditional na ginagawa ng karamihan yung ginawa ko, alam mo na yun, wifey. Pero para sa akin, is yung totoong meaning of proposal ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Na ready at decided ako na ihalay ang buhay ko sa iyo. Gusto ko na ikaw ang babaeng makasama ko sa habang buhay. Ikaw at ikaw lamang, wifey. Hindi ko man matumbasan kung paano kami nahal at tinalagaan nila mama at papa. Ipinapangako ko na gagawin ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya para maalagaan din kita ng maayos.
I see the kind of man I have always admired. A man like my father, who has always been a good, strong, and loving leader of our family. I see in you that same kindness, that same selflessness, and that same unwavering devotion. And I know in my heart that our future family will be blessed because you are the husband and father I've always prayed for.
Pahalagahan, susuportahan at igagalang ko ang lahat ng mga pangarap at plano natin sa pagbuo ng isang masayang pamilya. Higit sa lahat, pinapangako ko na buong puso kitang mamahalin at magpakailanman. Bea, wifey, thank you so much sa pag-iintindi mo at sa labis ng pagmamahal na pinakita mo sa akin. Wala akong ibang hiling. Patuloy nating pahalagahan, alagaan at mas pagtibayan pa ang ating pagmamahalan. Sa ating journey, hindi kayo paglalakbay bilang mag-asawa. I know na andyan palagi si God na gagabay sa atin sa pagtupad ng ating mga pangarap. Handa akong ibigay at ipagkatiwala sa iyo ang aking buhay. Mamahalin kita ng higit sa buhay ko hanggang sa pagtanda at sa kamatayan mo. Mahal na mahal kita, Bea.
Thank you for finding me. Thank you for choosing me. Today and every day for the rest of my life, I promise to always choose you. You are the best add friend request I have ever answered, and I can't wait to spend forever being your favorite notification. I love you forever and always have you. Your wife, Bea Cassandra Gutierrez Idmilaw, Bulalin.